So if somebody's a plumber and you want to show up for a primary keyword, if you start adding to that bucket and you have service pages and city pages and you start talking about every plumbing job, what ends up happening is that they know about all the other stuff, like Renee tankless water heaters, ice maker shutoff valves, and Peck's whole house piping. And as you talk about all these things, it strengthens the primary keyword.
Right.
That's what he meant. And then when that happens, Google's like, oh, shoot, bro, you doing like 1,000 things and we respect it and it's not gibberish? I'm going to show all those 1,000 things and yeah, you can have the primary keywords too.
And then you also get plumber.
And I'll give you the primary keyword. That's what. So when that's how that stuff occurs on it.
I was getting there by the way.
Oh, come on. There was some. You lost me, man, somewhere. I am my audience, man. Grew up mowing lawns. So.
The point is, do your pins, get all the keywords. I actually had a conversation with a plumber about a week ago in which he wanted to talk about what keywords we go for. And my answer was all of them. And he said, what do you mean? I said, every possible keyword related to every service you perform is what we go for. There's not a list of 10. There's not a list of 5.
Everything.
It's all of them. And that's what DataPins does.
Yeah.
It goes for everything, even mildly related to your service, and therefore strengthens the primary keywords.
I grew up in a flooring store family, painted curbs, mowed lawns, had a very successful, in my opinion, home security company, 23,000 alarm systems after 9/11 lot for years. We did a good business, but I never made money unless the phone was ringing. And I got dialed in on marketing years ago. This is all that should matter on some level. Market like a madman. Understand your digital brand, show up on Google, get daily call volume, and it leads and brands fix all the other mistakes you're going to have that I still make, that you'll still make. Too much overhead, not involved in the business enough, didn't invest. I don't know. But if the phone keeps ringing, you can live to fight the next day. And
you will have the resources to do everything else you got to do.
You'll eventually get wealthy as being a plumber, and we will fight for you. Watch some more videos. We have so much online. Love to help you like we have so many plumbers over the years, hundreds, top in ranking that we've helped out, and we'd like to help you do the same when you're ready.